start of our journey at the Gympie Railway Hotel. Platform at Gympie Station, platform number 2, and getting ready for ticket collection. This is on our way to get our tickets, a ticket collection at the Gympie Station. Here's old Pat playing in the restaurant at Gympie Station, the old station. As you can see, it's made up of memorabilia from Gympie. Here is the before the connection of the steam engine to the carriages. And that's both VIP carriages. That second one's the one we went on. Unbelievably nice.